Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin every day update. Today is day number 634. Okay, so here we are in Cash App. This is the app that we use to invest $1 in Bitcoin every day. If you aren't familiar with this app, definitely check out some of the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. And if you sign up using the link in the description, you'll get $5 for free. Okay, let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab, and then we want to go to the Bitcoin section. So Bitcoin currently at 13,423, hovering around the same range over the last week or so. Up about 4.5%, up 24% on the month, up 46% on the year, and up quite a lot over the last 7 or 8 months here. So we've broke $1,067 on my balance. I didn't really notice that until today, but Bitcoin looking pretty good. Let's see the news here. Nothing too major, it seems. I currently have 0.0795 Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin and we'll see if we can get that to 0.08. So we want to tap buy, tap the 3 dots, tap $7, tap next. Scan my fingerprint. We do $7 every Friday. It averages out to be $1 per day. Tap confirm there, and just like that, we've purchased some Bitcoin. So let's tap done. Scroll down here and we just barely managed to get to 0.08 Bitcoin. So doing really well there. Gonna continue working our way to 0.1, just dollar cost averaging, buying $1 per day. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $1,076, 1,076 divided by 634 equals a 1.69x on my investment. So what that means is for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $1.69. And there you have it for today's video. Bitcoin looking pretty good in my opinion. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might wear